Hey, what's up guys, I'm Henry. This is a quick tutorial to show you how you can play back real slow-mo footage on your Sony Alpha display, and also how you can play back the real frames like 120 FPS. This is A6300 we're talking about. The menu system may change a bit from different Sony models, but the base should be the same. Okay, if I want to watch slow-mo playing back on this display, then what we're gonna do is very easy. Okay, we're here, we press function button right here, we go to the movie modes, we choose one that indicates high frame rate. Okay, I choose program auto. Now go to the menu, go to the high frame rate settings. If you want to shoot 5 times slow-mo, you need to choose 24p. If you want 4 times slow-mo, then you choose 30p. Okay, I'm choosing 24p, 5 times slow-mo. Okay, where is my lighter? Right here. We press record. Okay, it's enough. Stop, play, let's see. As you can see, it's playing 5 times slow-mo on the display of my Sony A6300. Okay guys, so now if I wanna play real frames on my screen, what I'm gonna do is press function button, go again to movie modes. Now we want to leave these high frame rate highlights and we want to choose one of these 4 right here. I'm choosing program auto. Press menu, go to the file format, select the right one, record settings, 120p, 100 megabits. Okay, press it, menu, press the record button, lighter right here. Okay, it's enough. Press stop, play. There you have it. Real frames on the screen of your Sony Alpha. Okay guys, so that's about it. Hope it helps. If so, give it a thumbs up, it always does help a lot. I'm Henry, have a good day, peace.